everyone, welcome back. It is Jessica Dela Cruz here. It is January 31st, 2019. It is a continuation of week 4 lab, the biochemical testing for microbial identification. In this lab, we're going to do a part 2 and a 3. Part 2 is the methyl red testing, and part 3 is the Voges-Proskauer test. Okay, so here I've already labeled my tubes and equally divided my active cultures into the test tubes, as you can see. And now I'm going to grab my methyl red that I got from the hands-on lab, and I'm gonna, in the E. coli and the S. epidermidis, I'm going to drop 7 of this liquid. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Alright. So the methyl red test is designed to identify microbes that perform mixed acid fermentation. Mixed acid fermentation is an anaerobic metabolic process that produces lactic acid, acetic acid, ethanol, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen gas. Right. So what I'm looking for is a positive test that is like a pinkish red. And it looks like the E. coli is a positive testing. Okay. Alright. So that was the methyl red testing. Okay. Now I'm going to just turn it over and we're going to do the Proskauer, Voges-Proskauer testing. Okay. So for this one I am going to, so for this one I have the S. epidermidis and my E. coli culture test tubes again. And so for this one I have Barrett's A reagent. So this one I'm going to insert 12 drops to each of them. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And then we're just going to swirl them to let oxygen in there, or to mix it with oxygen. Okay. Oops. Same with this one. Okay. And then now I'm going to, I have another reagent, which is the Barrett's B reagent, and I'm going to add 4 drops to each of the tubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Alright. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to kind of shake it a little bit to expose the contents to oxygen. Okay. Oops. Okay. I'm going to gonna do the same thing for 30 seconds. Oops. Okay. All right. All right. So in this, for the Voges-Proskauer test, I am going to be letting this one sit for 30 minutes and afterwards I will be observing it for a color change. A positive test is going to be the formation of a red surface layer. All right. Okay. And also the Voges-Proskauer test is designed to identify microbes that ferment glucose via the butanediol pathway. Alright, so I am going to let this sit for 30 minutes and that concludes this lab.